Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to answer a very interesting question, like people being curious lately, like asking me, like calling me, Nathan, tell me please, does the phone DOOGEE N30 came with the screen protector? And I just like, wow, I really should think about it. And like, as you can see, like there is some protection on my screen, yeah, and there is some sticker on it, so like it really came with this protection here. I didn't even apply it because like I have this sticker on it, and this phone was like sold with this screen protection. So yeah, the answer is yes, this device came with a screen protector. Yeah. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, leave thumbs up, and bye.